Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen bottle in an aircraft. Before every flight, a thorough check of your oxygen system is crucial for safety. Start by confirming the bottle is present and secured, then check the pressure gauge to ensure you have enough oxygen. Next, inspect the regulator and all connections for any leaks. Finally, make sure your mask is clean and undamaged, ready for immediate use. Once you're ready to use your oxygen, the process is straightforward. First, quickly don your mask or cannula, ensuring it fits snugly. Then, slowly open the oxygen valve to begin the flow. Always check the flow indicator to confirm oxygen is reaching you. Remember to adjust the flow rate based on your current altitude and the specific type of oxygen system you are using for optimal benefit. Knowing when to use supplemental oxygen is vital for maintaining alertness and health. For unpressurized aircraft, it's recommended above 10,000 feet during the day and 5,000 feet at night. Regulations require flight crew to use oxygen above 14,000 feet continuously, and after 30 minutes above 12,500 feet. Using a pulse oximeter can help you personally determine when extra oxygen is needed. Safety is paramount when handling oxygen equipment. Remember, oxygen itself isn't flammable, but it makes other materials burn much more intensely. Therefore, absolutely no smoking is allowed near oxygen systems. Always keep your equipment meticulously clean, especially from oils and greases, which can react dangerously with oxygen. Secure your bottle properly and ensure regular professional inspections to keep everything in top working order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.